So now I'm running crystal sync tests at 30 FPS because my cell phone camera is 30 FPS, so approximately you can see when it runs at about the same speed than the camera, cell phone camera, so you can see that clear sector on the here. So I have, let's stop this. So I have that reflective tape, and you saw the shutter angle of this video camera synchronized with the tape. So then when video camera always takes one frame at the same position of the gear, then you get this effect of seeing that sector. This is one of the first crystal sync tests, so it's a bit, you can see it adjust more than I would like, and it drifts just a tiny bit, so I will improve this. Improving, yeah, it drifts a little, so improving this will take a lot of time, I guess, but it's approximately working now. So this is running in sync, but I will improve this a lot. And actually that's 30 FPS. I think the video camera is 29976, so creeps a little. So I will improve this, but this is running in basic sync already.